Welcome to this video on Harmony Email and Collaboration. The first thing we need to do is set up a Checkpoint Infinity Portal account. Head over to portal.checkpoint.com and click Don't have an account, register here. Type in your company name and your personal details to set up your user account. Select the region and a few small details about your organisation. Accept our terms and conditions. Click Next and wait for the account to be created. You will receive a welcome email. Click to activate the account and confirm with a new password. Once activated, simply log on and you'll be presented with this welcome screen. Go to the menu in the top left-hand corner and on the far right, select Harmony Email and Collaboration. Accept the terms and conditions, click Try Now, and Harmony Email and Collaboration will be built in the background for you. In this example, we are going to select and onboard Office 365 Mail. Keep the first option as automatic. Again, accept our terms and conditions and click OK. You will now be asked to authenticate against Office 365. Accept all of the permissions required to provide Checkpoint access and wait for this process to complete. It should take no more than about 3 minutes. Once complete, you will see this screen and simply click OK. You will now be greeted with the Harmony Email and Collaboration service. Over the next 24 hours, our system will go into learning mode, essentially meaning that it will spend time reading all of your previous emails from the last 2 weeks and provide information and analysis on what we found in those emails. Once the onboarding is complete, you will get an overview of any security problems we have found in the emails in your system. You have now onboarded your Harmony Email and Collaboration system and are getting information about this environment. Please remember, by default, this is in read-only mode and no emails will be affected or altered during this trial period. Please watch some of the further videos to see how to configure this platform for your environment. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and thank you for watching.